Welcome back to channel Sharas Neon Tech. So today we are going to compare the newly released iPhone SE second generation with the iPhone SE first generation and the iPhone 8. As people are telling that the iPhone SE second generation is copied from iPhone 8. By looking at the physical overview, we can see that the iPhone SE 2 it has the same body as the iPhone 8, and compared to iPhone SE 1, this iPhone SE 2 is little bit bigger because it has 4.7-inch screen when compared to the 4-inch screen of iPhone SE. While iPhone SE came in space gray, silver, gold and rose gold, the iPhone SE 2 is coming in black, product red and white color, while iPhone 8 came in silver, space gray and the gold color. So I think the white and the silver are almost matching the iPhone SE second generation and iPhone 8. Now comparing the price, the iPhone SE second generation is starting from 42,500, while iPhone SE 1 has been stopped from production and now iPhone 8 is also stopped from production. Now looking at the screen size, the iPhone SE had a Retina display, while iPhone SE second generation has a Retina HD display, which is same as the iPhone 8. And regarding the camera, the iPhone SE second generation has the same camera as the iPhone 8, the single 12MP wide camera. But they are telling that the iPhone SE 2 has a better sensor when compared to iPhone 8, but it looks the same on paper. And going to the front camera, the iPhone SE had a 1.2 MP camera with 720p HD recording, while the iPhone SE second generation and the iPhone 8 has the same 7MP camera with 1080p HD recording at 30 fps. And moving on to the security, the Touch ID is back in iPhone SE 2, and the Touch ID is a second generation Touch ID which is same as the iPhone 8. And the only difference I can see is the processor. The processor iPhone SE had was an A9 chip, and the iPhone 8 had A11 with a neural engine, while the iPhone SE has the A13 Bionic chip, which is the same as the iPhone 11. So that is one of the big upgrade from the iPhone 8. And now going to the battery, the iPhone 8 lasts about the same as iPhone 7, and the iPhone SE second generation lasts about the same as iPhone 8. I don't know what they meant by this, because if iPhone SE the second generation can last about the same as iPhone 8, which itself lasts about the same as iPhone 7, then the iPhone SE second generation will last about the same as iPhone 7 only. So there is no difference in the battery capacity between iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Now going to the IP rating, the iPhone SE is water resistant to the depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes, which is as same as the iPhone 8. Now going to the capacity of storage, the iPhone SE comes in 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. So comparing with the iPhone 8, the only difference is that it offers a 256GB variant. Now moving on to the display, the both iPhone 8 and iPhone SE has the Retina HD display with 4.7-inch wide LCD multi-touch display and IPS technology. And the resolution of both iPhone 8 and iPhone SE is absolutely same, even with the same pixel per inch ratio. And then the contrast ratio is also the same, 1400:1, and it both supports a True Tone display. Both iPhone 8 and the iPhone SE supports the P3 color gamut. And the main difference comes here, where iPhone 8 has the 3D touch while iPhone SE does not have that. It has the haptic touch. You know, the 3D touch determines the pressure of the touch, while haptic touch it measures the time we are putting the finger on the screen. So that is a major difference between iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Now going to the brightness, both of them have the same brightness of 625 nits. Now moving on to the physical dimensions, here we can see that iPhone SE 2 is the same as iPhone 8. Even the height, the width, the depth and even the weight of iPhone SE second generation is as same as the iPhone 8. And moving on to the IP rating, both of them are rated IP67, which is maximum depth of 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. And the chipset, as we have told, it's A13 Bionic, while the iPhone 8 is 11 Bionic. And going deep into the camera, the iPhone SE and iPhone 8, the only difference that I can see is that iPhone SE 2 has the portrait mode, and this is because of the new A13 Bionic chip, while iPhone 8 does not have the portrait mode or portrait lighting effects. And then there is one more difference, that is the HDR. iPhone 8 had auto HDR for photos, while the iPhone SE 2, because of the new A13 Bionic chip, has the next generation Smart HDR for photos. And video recording, both of them are capable of recording 4K at 24, 30 and 60 fps, while only difference is that the extended dynamic range for video up to 30 fps is found only on the iPhone SE second generation. And the next difference we find is a quick take video. Quick take video is nothing but if we are capturing a photo and we want to take a video immediately, we can hold the shutter button and drag it upside and then it converts to video. This feature is not available on the iPhone 8. Apart from that, the slow motion, time-lapse recording, everything is same. Slow motion we can get at 1080p at 120 frames per second and 240 frames per second. And also in the iPhone SE second generation we get a stereo recording for videos, which is not there in iPhone 8. And talking about the front camera is same as the iPhone 8 with the 7MP f2.2 aperture. Retina flash is nothing but the retina screen which flashes while taking photos. And then here also we can see the portrait mode with advanced bokeh. This is because of the A13 Bionic chip. This is missing in the iPhone 8, and rest everything is same. Now going to the cellular and wireless, we can see that all of them are same, except that the iPhone SE 2 supports the Gigabyte class LTE, while iPhone 8 has the LTE Advanced. And moving to the Wi-Fi, the iPhone SE has the Wi-Fi 6. Rest of them are absolutely the same. And going to the authentication, both of them has the Touch ID second generation in the home button. Now video calling, FaceTime, audio calling, everything is absolutely same. And going to the audio and video playback, both of them has stereo audio playback and supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 content. Now comes the interesting part about power and battery. It is said that it lasts as same as iPhone 8 while it lasts as same as iPhone 7. But if you look at the numbers, both of them has the 13 hours video playback and 40 hours audio playback, and fast charging 50% in 30 minutes. This means that both iPhone 8 and iPhone SE has the same battery capacity, and there is no difference in battery capacity. I think the only difference you will feel is because of the A13 Bionic chip. And in iPhone SE there is unfortunately no headphone jack, same as the iPhone 8, but comes with an earpods having a lightning connector. And the sensors in iPhone SE is as same as the iPhone 8. It has gyrometer, accelerometer, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor and barometer. Now there is a small difference in the SIM card. The iPhone 8 had supported only one SIM, while the iPhone SE supports dual SIM, but the second SIM is an eSIM. So from this comparison we can understand that both iPhone 8 and iPhone SE has the same body, and only difference is in the A13 processor. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Until next time, bye bye.